Who's going to belay me?
But can you try this one, the rainbow one?
Can one? Come on.
Hey, Theo.
We don't like that.
Come, I go together with you. We pass it, then we can go home already.
Pass it, then I want to do this.
Okay.
Why pass it must go home?
No, I mean, that's your game for tonight. That's your success tonight. Never mind, it's okay, go. Can you?
I know.
Are you passing it?
Yeah, I already sit down on it.
Okay, you wait for me.
Let me get down.
You wanna go up? You wanna go higher?
The one.
Okay, sit.
I did it.
Good job.
Did it. Thank you. I did it.
High
Higher.
Wait. Hook it up.
Mommy.
No.
Not can take a lot.
You can take out like that, Mr. Hannah, she's too loose, you know.
No, it's okay. Your shoe? Take off your shoe.
I'm going to take off my socks, right?
Take off your socks, huh?
Can we come here again?
Are we coming here again?
Next month.
Next Monday? I ask you to climb. The next time I come, we should climb all the way, okay? Can or not? The next time we come, can we climb all the way?
Next time we come, I want to stand on that block.
Stand on the block.
Yeah, sit on the block. That one just
Was it fun, Theo? Where are we?
stand.